Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. I hope everybody had a good Father's Day. Mine was nice and quiet. I did hear from my daughter and I did call my father. Move things around on the menu this week a little bit, but I'll get to that in a second. Last night I prepared Casual Chef Philly cheese steak fries. Oh, they were good. I had a oops with the cheese sauce, but I went to Plan B, and they were just as good. Yeah, I added a bunch of stuff. They will be in the notes. Enjoy. So the switch, I'm switching Monday and Tuesday. I'm just really tired. So I'm doing something more simpler. Yeah, just go with it. So today I'm making coconut curry chicken and sweet potato stew. Oh, yeah, it's simple, but it's going to be full of flavor. Let's go take a look. Simplicity, Dutch oven. Yep, just a Dutch oven today. So for this wonderful dish, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, sweet potato. Obviously, if you got to have sweet potato if it has sweet potato in the title. Yes, onion, garlic, ginger, a little bit of brown sugar, just a little bit of tomato paste. That tube's just about done, but don't worry, I have more. We have kosher salt, black pepper. I'm going to be using ghee. Then there's some chicken stock. I'll use about half of this can of petite cut diced tomatoes. There's coconut milk, my curry powder. This is an Indian style curry. Turmeric, a little bit of lime juice to just kind of kick it up and give it some freshness, and some cilantro for garnish, or coriander, whatever you want to call it. So here are the goodies for tonight's coconut curry chicken and sweet potato stew. So yeah, I'm taking it easy. I have a couple of meetings this morning. Actually, I have a meeting this morning, and I also I need to go get some blood work done. Nothing to worry about. I promise. It's something every 6 months or annually I have to do. So with that, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.